Yes, in last class we discussed male heterogamety. Now today's class we are going to discuss about the female heterogamety. In the female heterogamety, what the female which is having the chromosomes that having the different heterogamety. The male is the homogamety. So like that the female is the Z double, the male is the ZZ. Here in that XX, XY in the previous XX, H0 is the male heterogamety. Here the ZZ, Z double. See here the male, the ZZ chromosomes is both here the homomorphic. Means both are the same type of the chromosomes. Here the one Z is there, one double is there. So that's why it is called heteromorphic chromosomes. According to morphology is different. The morphology there is a same. That's why it is a homomorphic, it is a heteromorphic. Which one is heteromorphic? The female is the heteromorphic. In female heteromorphic, again we divide in the two types of the methods. What are the two types of the methods? The first one is the two type of the methods is there. One is ZZ, Z double method. The another one is ZZ, Z0 method. So two type of the method we discuss. In this, the ZZ, Z double is an example of which one? The birds, fishes, and the reptiles. It is a very important. It is a 2019 entrance bit. That ZZ, Z double, Z0. Sorry, the example is butterfly and some insects. See here we are getting one doubt. What we have to doubt in that? What is the doubt? Here the ZZs are actually we are taking the XX, XY, XX, X0. But here the what without confusing the us, what we have to do? The Z equal to and double equal to we take the Y. Z equal to we take the X. Means instead of the X we will take the Z. Instead of the Y we will take the double. So the means here the W is the field Y. The Z we are considered as a X. This is about the XX, ZZ, Z double method. An example, birds and fishes. Very important that. Now we are going to explaining about the ZZ, Z double. In female heterogamety, now we can take the sex determination. You can take the male and female. The male is autosomes plus ZZ. The female autosomes plus Z double. It is about the P1 generation. Then after that, the next is the what? Gametes formation. So gametogenesis. In this, here and both, here what? Meiosis. After the meiosis, what happened? Here we take considered here what? Autosomes plus Z. Autosomes plus Z means here the autosomes, the Z is the allosomes. Here the Z double is also allosomes are the sex chromosomes. Now we can take the autosomes plus Z, autosomes plus sex chromosomes. What happened here? The meiosis, the chromosome number become reduced after that. Now it is called the gamete formation or gametogenesis. Now we can take the F1 generation. In F1 generation, what we have to do? This you are meeting that autosomes plus ZZ is allosomes, autosomes plus ZZ. Same autosomes plus Z double is autosomes plus Z double. So what here the autosomes plus ZZ is about? It is the indication of what? Male. It is also indication of male. It is the indication of female. This is also female. That is about the general the phenomena in a female heterogamety in that what ZZ Z double method. Now what we have to do? We are going to discussing about in this only with the chromosome number. See in this we can take the male and female. The male, if you consider the 100%, but here also 100%. What happened? The gamete is a 50%. Here also gamete is a 50%. Same here also 50%. What happened when it is involved in the meiosis? The 100% become a 50%. So what we are considered, understand here, the male and female to play the same role. The 50% role from the male, the 50% role from the female. Like in human beings also like that only. But in honeybees, is the male is the 50%, the female is the the male is the 100%, the female is the 50% in which the sex determination in honeybees. In female heterogamety, now we can take the example in the cock and hen. The cock is the 76 autosomes plus 2 allosomes. 76 autosomes plus 2 allosomes means 78 chromosomes. Now in this, the both they are involved in the meiosis. After the meiosis, the what happened here? Now 38 autosomes plus 1 Z, then again 38 plus allosomes. Here also 38 plus nothing but 38 is a 38 autosomes plus Z. Now 38 autosomes plus double. So like that. This is called as what? The gamete formation, or it is called the gametogenesis. Now we are going to discussing about the F1 generation. In F1 generation, what say this combined? What happened that now 38 means the 76 autosomes plus ZZ. This again the 76 autosomes plus ZZ. Then after that 76 autosomes plus Z double. Say that this add this, the 76 autosomes plus Z double means what? The 76 autosomes ZZ is a which it is indication of cock. It is also what? Cock. This is a hen. It is a hen. It is a ZZ method. Now ZZ method. The now next method is the female heterogamety only, that ZZ method. In this, now you can take that here the lack of the one ova. Only one ova is. It is both the sperms are present. The female is the heterogamety then. Now you can take the male and the female. This is the one, the P1 generation. See, then after that autosomes plus it is the ZZ autosomes plus Z0, that P1 generation. Then afterwards the next gametes. In the gamete formation, what happened that autosomes plus Z, autosomes plus Z, autosomes plus Z, autosomes plus 0. The gamete formation. Now we can observe that F1 generation. In F1 generation, so what happened that the mating between them. Here the again meiosis. Here autosomes plus ZZ. This again is autosomes plus Z0. This and this autosomes plus ZZ. That autosomes plus Z0. So what ZZ is about? It is about the male. It is also what happened. This is also male and female. It is a female. So this is a common. Now we are going to explain about through the chromosome numbers. Now with the example, we are taking the butterfly or the Fumia. In the butterfly, how many chromosomes is there? 60 autosomes, 2 is allosomes. Means total 62 chromosomes is there. Means the 31 pairs of the chromosomes are present. In this now the 60 autosomes from Z, same 60 autosomes plus Z0. Means but in the female, how many? The 60 autosomes, 1 allosomes. Means how many? That 61. Here the what? The 62 chromosomes in males. Now see here the lack of the 1 chromosome over there. See here in the after the meiosis, 30 autosomes plus Z, 30 autosomes plus Z, 30 autosomes Z, 30 autosomes plus 0. Lack of the 1 OA. Means the here is called the gametogenesis after the meiosis. Now what happened? This and this 30 plus 30 how much? 60 autosomes. What? 60 autosomes plus Z means 2 autosomes. Now again here the 60 autosomes plus Z0. Same here the what happened? 60 autosomes plus ZZ. Now 60 autosomes plus Z0. It's about the what? It's a female. Now we can consider here the it's a 60 autosomes ZZ. What is a male? Butterfly. Again the male butterfly. It is a female butterfly. So like that, it is about the what? The female heterogametic Z0 method. The examples is a very important in internet and PU board level that. Okay, this is about the sex determination male and female that. So any doubt is there, keep in comment section, subscribe the channel, share to the others. Okay.